Hey everyone, I am back again with another quick unboxing from Coach. So let's open this up. This one actually just dropped. This is from Coach's new denim line. Then just dropped. Let's see. So everything for the denim line at launch was kind of expensive. I don't know if the day that it launched, they just decided to hike the prices of almost all their stuff. So, okay, so it is a backpack, but on the day of launch, I went in the middle of the night and they hiked up the prices to all their backpacks. So this is a Hudson backpack. It's the Denim Hudson backpack. And I couldn't wait for the price to drop. I know sometimes they drop their prices. They hiked them up that day. I just went ahead and purchased it because I didn't want to miss out. I had gotten a sneak peek of this on Instagram. It had shown up on here's my receipt. Okay, let's keep that. It had shown up on my page, on my Explore page on Instagram, and I was like, when is this coming out? I had seen it, but I don't know when it was going to come out. So then they announced their denim launch. I was like, oh, there it is. I need to get this. Hold on, let me adjust the camera up a little bit so you guys can see better. Okay, we're back. Hopefully you guys can get a good look at this. So like I say, this is from their denim line. I had seen a sneak peek of it on Instagram because I believe it probably releases somewhere in other parts of the world first. So here's so it says, what does it say? Hudson BP Denim Chambray, I believe it was called. I don't believe they actually call it denim. Well, it says denim here, but it's called Chambray or something. Okay, so throw that over there, and let's unbox this, or let's press it open. It opens like this. Let's see. There you go. Let's take a look. Wow, 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 wow. This is really nice. And I don't know, I left my other Hudson backpack in the car, but to compare the blue, this is more like a navy blue. If you guys have seen my other videos, I have another Hudson. That one is more like a cobalt blue. But let's open this up. Wow, wow, wow. Like I always say, Coach loves their stuffing. Look at all this stuffing. Look at all this. I just love the way Coach, man, like, their packaging is just so good. The way they take care of the stuff, man, honestly, it's unbeaten. It's unmatched. The way everything is protected, I mean, look at it. It is packaged so well. So let's take this off real quick. Guys, so here it is. I just finally took all the wrapping on it. Here is the tag in case you need any information off of there. See that? So here is the Coach. I don't know what they're calling it. The Hudson Denim Chambray, but it's the denim collection. I'm just gonna call it the denim collection because, I mean, it says denim, but then they named it something else, so I don't know. So let's take some quick shots of it. have it, guys. This is the Coach Denim backpack, the Hudson backpack. It feels, I wouldn't say it feels like denim, does it? I mean, honestly, it feels like you think it would feel. It feels like fabric. It feels like fabric. This is really nice. Has copper, brass almost. Yeah, almost brass. Hardware. And yeah. There you have it, guys. I love this backpack. I love this backpack. I don't know if it would be for everyday use or just special occasions, but I am really glad I bought it and didn't wait. Alrighty, guys, that's all. Take care. One more box to unbox. This is another thing that... Okay, so this one isn't from the Denim collection. This one just popped out of nowhere on their website, and had actually been sold out, and it wasn't on their website. It just randomly popped up, and so I wasn't able to buy anything from this collection. So I was really excited that wait, this isn't okay, so what I thought this was gonna be wasn't it. This was actually so on Coach's website, if you made a purchase, you got a free water bottle. So, okay, I ordered something else. I thought that's what this was. It's not. This is the Coach water bottle. So let's open this up. What does it say on here? I don't even know what that says. Okay, so let's open this up. It was not what I thought, but okay, let's open it up anyways. We're already on camera. We're in camera. Okay. So here it is. There you go. It's just a simple canister. Canister, is that what it's called? Actually, it's really nice. It feels a lot like my hydro flask. Can't get this out. Just along how to clean it. Yeah, just there. And then drink up. Made of 304 grade stainless steel with double walled construction. This Coach water bottle keeps cold drinks cold for up to 20 hours and hot drinks warm for up to 10. 750 milliliters. Condensation and BPA free. And then it just has it in a bunch of different languages. With a little string here. And then here's the handle. Really, it's a water bottle. How much more? Alrighty, guys. I don't know if I'll include this or not. It's literally not what I thought it was. So I do have another unboxing to come. So, alrighty, guys. I'll see you guys next time.